Master bike repairs and electronics with expert tips amidst humorous relationship insights.
Oh, I'm gonna be on the internet.
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 No. Whoa, nothing's happening. Whoa.
I can't do it, Bo. My hands are slippery, Bo. It's like it doesn't want to
They're
go.
leaking. Hey,
Yeah, I think.
what do you think? Put your mouth over there and check. How do I tell if it's leaking?
Just drive on it.
It's not able to.
It is not.
No.
Yeah.
But what's up with it? Where my snapper? They come all the way down there. The idea is we're gonna fill up a bar. Not full it up, but just enough where it can reach to the valve and put the whole frickin' wheel in it. When we do that, I guarantee you, game over. Hey,
Came over.
yeah, big nose. I mean, how's they saying? Big nose, big rose, or something.
Right.
Dry. Yeah, very wet and dry. So guys, if you want to learn, get the tips from Mr. DAD.E. Master at these stuff. Good at fixing bikes. Good at fixing wheels.
Good at giving the boys
Almost
a hiding.
getting good at fixing TV electronic stuff.
Almost.
But not good at looking after women. They are a fucking heartache. Fucking bitch. I mean, sorry my language. Not Facebook, but you guys. Kagite.
So long.
Okay.